Hi guys, my name is Deyev. I'm CEO and co-founder at Stobox, and today we have great news. Great news as we launch our tokenization package for entrepreneurs and small to medium-sized businesses. So we're launching a complete tokenization solution for entrepreneurs. So yes, guys, as you know, Stobox is a turnkey tokenization provider, which actually differentiates us, Stobox, from many other tokenization providers around the world. So, and the difference is that we provide a turnkey solution for small and medium-sized businesses to actually do tokenization. And we are launching a comprehensive package, right, for businesses that would like to tokenize, and it's a turnkey solution. The details of that package you can find out in the comments to this video, and go to our website stobox.io for the additional information.